Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this wig that I made. This wig was made out of frontals and bundles, a frontal and 4 bundles. So I am wearing 3 bundles of 32" and 1 bundle of 30". And I'm wearing it in the pattern loose deep. So this is hair from Wiggins hair. Honestly guys, off rip, the first thing I noticed about this hair was how nice the frontal was. Like, look at how it lays against my skin, perfectly clean, and I haven't even bleached it yet. So I'm just going in right now with some of my makeup powder, and I'm just making sure that everything is fully blended, so when I do lay it down with my lace glue, everything looks bomb. So now that I've got it all measured and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back, and now I'm going to be again applying my hair with lace glue. So I'm using Bold Hold lace glue, and I'm going to be doing 2 layers. I'm going to be splitting it up in 3 parts. If you are new to my channel, I don't usually, sometimes depending on the mood I'm in, I might do the whole perimeter, but usually I do the first top piece, then I do left to right or right to left. So that's what I'm doing right now. And as you guys can see, a lot of people ask me how long do I wait before I put down my second coat, but I never put a second coat down until everything is fully clear. As you guys can see right now, it's white, so I would not put a second coat or try to put the lace down. Only when it's been clear, like how it is right now. It's turned clear, so that means the glue is semi-dry but still wet and ready for the lace to be applied. So I'm going ahead and picking up my lace lightly, and I'm going to be putting it on the glue, and I'm just going to lightly tap it on the glue because the glue is still kind of wet. You never want to tap too hard because that can make it smudgy. Wow, they have no respect. It can make it smudgy or whatnot. So I'm just going again and pressing it in and filling in any spots that might be lifting up that don't have any glue on it. You guys don't need to always make sure that your wig is fully glued down around all areas. That just guarantees you a flawless look. So now I'm going ahead and starting to do my side pieces. So now I'm just going in, and I am going in little parts, and any part that's not glued down, I'm just going over it, and I'm also going to do my last piece that I have to lay down. And after that, we'll just about be finished. Now that everything is fully glued down, I'm going to go ahead and begin adjusting my middle part and just making sure it's nice and clean and crispy. And I'm now taking my hot comb and I'm just slicking down the top of my head. So now I'm just going to begin doing my baby hairs. I always use the same glue for my baby hairs. So if you guys are new to my channel, I do use the She's Bomb Collection Bomb Glue on my baby hairs. But if you guys are new, then you guys already know what I'm using. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm super sick. I'm also going in with an edges toothbrush, and I cut my baby hairs not with scissors, but I like to cut them with a fresh blade. Usually you guys will see me use scissors, and that's because my blade isn't sharp anymore, so I'll just go back to using scissors. But right now my blade is doing what it do. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing that same routine throughout my whole perimeter of my hairline. See what I mean by the scissors part? I do go in sometimes with scissors if my razor is old and is not really doing the job. Alright, y'all, so I do have a bit of bad news. For some reason, the final clip actually got deleted, and that is where I actually styled the hair, and I just put it in 2 simple braids. But I do have other tutorials where I have done this numerous times. So I just did some simple braids, but all you're going to see me do right here is basically brush out the hair. But I was able to insert some pictures, and this is how it came out. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so sorry that you guys couldn't see the finished look. I'm definitely going to make up for that. Comment down below things you guys want to see me try. Comment down below and let me know what you guys feel about this hair and how I did it. Also, be sure to check out Wiggins hair for some affordable, bomb quality hair. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.